Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App to buy things on Amazon. To get started, go to Amazon and click on Account and Lists in the top right corner. You will see your name there. Next, click on Your Payments. Once you're on the Payments page, navigate to the Wallet section and click on Add a Payment Method. As you can see, there isn't an option to directly use Cash App, although Venmo is listed. To use Cash App on Amazon, you need to get what's called a Cash Card. The Cash Card is a free debit card linked to your Cash App, allowing you to use your Cash App balance to pay for purchases. To obtain a Cash Card, open Cash App, click the credit card-like icon at the bottom, and follow the steps to request your own Cash Card. You must be at least 13 years old to get one. Once your Cash Card is received and activated, return to Amazon. Now, click on Add a credit or debit card and enter the information from your Cash Card into Amazon's system. That's how you can use Cash App to make purchases on Amazon. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.